Welcome guys to my audio for video masterclass. In today's video I'm going to cover how and where I search for music for my videos. Then I will show you how I edit and use this music in my projects. I will also share my top 15 royalty-free songs that I currently like, and I will also touch briefly on sound effects. So first of all, let's start with where and how I find music for my videos. There are many resources where you can find really high quality royalty-free music for your videos, and if I could afford to get access to all of them, I certainly will. But for now, my go-to place is Artlist. I really like to use this platform because it's easy to use, the design is clean and nice, and the music they have is also really high quality. Let me show you. So this is the Artlist environment. As you can see, the navigation is pretty straightforward. On the left side here you have this filter section. The best thing is that you can add more of these filters in a row. So for example, let me search for a love song, then let the video theme be wedding, and I would like my search result to match the cinematic feeling. I can even tell Artlist that I'm searching for a track with certain instrument in the song, like for example piano. Now let's listen to what we have. This actually sounds really nice and cinematic, and I can definitely imagine to use this one on a wedding highlight, for example. If you are, however, still not satisfied, you can restrict the search results even more. Let me show you how. Up here you have this microphone icon, which means you can search only for instrumentals or for all songs. Next to it there is the sort option, where you can sort your results according to the rating, top downloads, or you can sort your results according to the newest songs. Now this one is really helpful because you can choose your preferred tempo. There is low, medium, high, or any tempo option. There is one more way how you can restrict your search results, and that's by the duration of the song. Right now you can go up to 25 minutes. As you can see, Artlist is pretty easy to use and the user experience is also really nice. Well, at least for me. So now you know where and how I find music for my videos. Let's jump to the Premiere now, so I can show you how I use and edit music for my videos. So what I'm basically doing with the music for these YouTube videos is that I will first analyze the music track. The idea here is that you have to find the right parts of the music track which will then fit in certain parts of your video. In this example, I have only two parts in my video. First is the coffee b-roll, and then there is the talking part. This means that you don't have to use the track as a whole, but you can use only certain parts of it that will fit into your video. So let's take a look at one example. Based just on the waveform, we have here some louder parts and also some quieter, more calm parts. Initially, I would guess that I would use those quieter parts as a background for my talking segments and those more dynamic, louder parts for the B-roll segments. Now, we need to cut off these two segments from the original track. To be really precise with this, you can create markers on beats which will allow you to cut and then connect these parts together with seamless transitions. One pro tip here, you always need to cut off the ending of the track because that's the natural ending you will use to end your video smoothly. I will start the edit with the first B-roll segment and the chosen part of the song. All I have to do now is to edit my clips so they will match the beat of the music. Now I will connect the second part of the song that is supposed to be the background music for my talking shots, and I will also check the transitions between these two parts. If the transition is not as good as it should be, you can try to apply constant power effect to connect these two parts together. Then connect the talking part and adjust the volume of the background music so it will not be disturbing. As you can see, this part of the track is not long enough to cover the whole talking segment. I would personally duplicate this part and connect these two together. Then I would adjust the length of the duplicate according to the length of the talking segment. Now I would continue like this with the whole video. You can apply this approach to your YouTube videos, wedding films, and maybe even short films. Now that you know where to find your music and also how to use it in your projects, I would like to share with you a list of my favorite songs on Artlist right now. If you decide that you like Artlist and that you would like to use it for your projects, I really think that this list might help you to start with this platform. I will not go through these songs right now because we will be here for another 15 minutes. However, I will leave a link to each of these songs down in the description of this video. So after you watch this video, go down there and take a listen to these songs. One last quick note on why I really like Artlist right now. They have just added sound effect section to the platform. You can find there almost every sound effect that you will need. And if not, they are constantly updating the database, so there is a huge chance that they will eventually add what you need anyways. I believe that I don't have to tell you how you can up your production of your videos with adding sound effects. However, if you want me to make a separate video on sound effects and how to use them, just leave me a comment down below and I will be happy to make this video for you. Once again, this video is not sponsored by Artlist. I really use this platform on a daily basis and I honestly think that it is great. So that's it for today. I really hope that this video was helpful or at least somehow inspirational for you. If you are interested in Artlist but you still have some questions about the platform, go ahead and ask me down in the comment section of this video. And if you decide to go for Artlist, it will really make my day if you will use my referral link. You can find it also down in the description of this video. I will not get any money from your purchase, but I can get 1 extra month of subscription. And you can do this too. Just use Artlist, refer it to someone, and get your free month. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video was any good, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also hit that bell icon down there so you will be notified whenever I post new video. And I will see you next time.